I noticed some birds in our garage, and they kept flying to this area, and we had a bag hanging there. And here is what they've been working on, a nest. Oh, I hate this so much. I don't know what to do. Oh, he's so confused. I'm so sorry, little birdie. Oh. But we have to have this area because the car's right here and the door's right there. Oh, there's two of them and they're just so confused. I feel so bad. All that hard work. They've probably been working on it all night. There were other places they could have built.